My name is Paul Spencer. I'm 65 years old. I've been an athlete for as long as I can remember. Four-sport letterman in high school. So I was an avid runner. I was running 10Ks and 5Ks on a regular basis, and then at 55, I woke up one morning and literally felt like I was 100 years old. I couldn't run. What took me to Dr. Homan was two of the baseball players on my 65-year-old team happened to go to Dr. Homan, and they were just religious believers in what he did, what he accomplished, what they were able to do post-surgery.
Paul came into our office and arrived with very typical complaints of hip arthritis. We discussed the minimally invasive muscle-sparing anterior total hip. The bonus of that, or for him, the plus side, is increased stability, easier recovery, less pain after surgery, and he has had an exceptional speedy recovery. He's back to baseball with his friends.
Quite honestly, I wish I had had the surgery done at 55 instead of 65. I believe, quite honestly, that my biggest moment of joy is being able to look at my recovery as a means of being able to do things both with my son and my daughter, like baseball, like golf, things that we enjoy. All the things that I thoroughly enjoy, I can do again.